just my phone ringing. Hello?
Hee hee.
Huh? This is so weird. Take a listen.
Hee hee.
You see a clue? Hold on just a second. Where is it?
Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee.
There it is. This sound is our third clue.
All right, we better draw this clue down in our handy dandy
Notebook.
Hee hee.
Oh, thanks for the clue.
there. This sound. Hee hee hee.
Okay. My turn. We can't draw a sound, so let's draw some curves, like this, to help us remember this sound. There. The sound. Hee hee hee.
Okay, now me. We can draw some curves that can help us remember this sound.
Okay. And now me. Let's draw some curved lines like this to help us think of this hee 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 sound.
And that was our third clue. We have all three clues. Where do we go? Thinking chair. Come on.